morning, Parkview Pandas.
This is Kaylee.
And this is Henry.
Today we're going to be talking about bowling. I've gone bowling. It's a lot of fun, but it's hard to knock down all the pins. Bowling is an indoor game where a person rolls a heavy ball down the wooden lane to knock down 10 pins.
My family has gone bowling too. We always rent the colorful shoes when we go. Bowling is for people of all ages and abilities. The ball has 3 holes, 1 for your thumb and 2 for your fingers. They come in different weights, as light as 6 pounds and as heavy as 16.
People started bowling in ancient Europe over 5,000 years ago. A ball and 9 pins were found in a child's tomb. Modern bowling began about 2,000 years ago in Germany. People would bowl as part of a religious ceremony.
As the time went by, bowling became a popular game, and the number of pins could be between 3 and 17. Bowling spread across Europe and to North America. By the mid-1800s, people in the United States used 10 pins. Some people call the sport 10-pin instead of bowling.
You get 2 tries to knock down the 10 pins. When they all go down on the first roll, that's called a strike. If it takes both rolls to knock them down, that's called a spare. Players sometimes get 3 strikes in a row, and that's called a turkey.
6 strikes is called a wild turkey. 9 strikes is called a golden turkey. 4 strikes is called a ham bone. You have to be a pretty good bowler to get all those strikes.
The wooden lane where the ball rolls is called an alley. On either side of the alley is a gutter. If the ball goes into the gutter, it's called a gutter ball. I don't like throwing gutter balls.
I don't either. I really like bowling strikes. Our playground clerk, Mr. S., has bowled the most strikes out of anybody I know. He has bowled all strikes 8 different times. Those are called perfect games, and they have a score of 300 points. Amazing.
We're signing up from the PNN News. Have a perfect Monday, Parkview Pandas. Now let's all stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. Bye.